Hey, boys and girls, how's it going? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this IXL. And like I said yesterday, it might be best to do the IXL first before you do the worksheet because the IXL kind of breaks it down a little bit more. And also rely on the video that I'm showing you about reflections. That's going to help. So, to do this, basically all you're going to do is you're going to read this, graph the image of M negative 6, 6 or negative 7, 6 after reflection over the x-axis. Boom, all you're going to do, and as you saw in my other video, is I'm going to count towards the x-axis, towards where I'm reflecting over. So if I look here, I'm reflecting over the x according to my directions, and this is the x-axis, the horizontal line. So now what I do next is now I'm going to count like a board game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it took me 6 moves to get to the x-axis. Now I'm going to count 6 moves in the opposite direction, which is going to be down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's where M prime is going to be. And that's it. That's all they want you to do. So let me just move this up and we're going to jump a level. We're going to get to a metal here. And I believe this really is only really like 2 levels because it's just asking you to go over the X and the Y. And I want to do a problem that goes over the Y. So I'm going to jump another level. Let's go to the challenge then. Okay. Everything they want me to do is over the X. So let's try to get to the Y. Here we go. So these reflections are kind of interesting because they want you to reflect over the Y. So instead of counting towards the X, now we're going to count towards the Y. And right here is where the Y is. Now this is pretty simple. Same deal. You're just going to, like a board game, going to count towards the Y though this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now while you're counting, you can also use this number line to help you out here. Because look, if you see this, G is at negative 6, and that means it would be 6 to get to here. So I'm going to count 6 this way. All right. Now look at D. Let me unclick that. D is negative 10 away from the Y, so that means it's negative 10 to get to the Y-axis, so it's going to be negative 10 this way. And now you're starting to see that shape take effect. Now this E is also negative 10 away, so then we can also go to the 10, which is the opposite. So boom. There you go. I think you guys will be okay with this, but again, if you need help, you can ask me out, or you can ask me for help. Okay? Don't be afraid to contact me.